In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a desktop wallpaper organizer. Whether you're a digital organization enthusiast or someone who simply wants to keep their desktop clutter-free, creating a visually appealing wallpaper organizer can be a game changer. This process will only take about 5 minutes, and adding this little touch can really streamline how you use your computer every day. First, let's head over to Canva, a wonderful online platform where you can unleash your creativity. Once you've opened Canva, in the search bar at the top, just type in Wallpaper Organizer. This will pull up a plethora of templates specifically designed to help organize your desktop. Don't get overwhelmed by the choices, simply scroll through until you find one that appeals to your aesthetic preferences. The key here is to choose something that you will enjoy looking at and that suits your organizational needs. Once you've found a template that speaks to you, click on it. This will open up a more detailed view, providing you with an overview of what the template has to offer. Look through its layout and sections to ensure that it matches what you're looking for. Once you've made your choice, look for the Customize this template button, usually located around the template preview. Click on that and you'll be taken into Canva's intuitive design interface. Now the fun begins. Within Canva's editor, you have the option to modify the template to better suit your personality or specific desktop needs. You can change colors, fonts and images, or adjust text boxes to label sections like to do, project files, or personal. Customize it in a way that will make it easiest for you to locate files quickly without much effort. Feel free to play around with different combinations, seeing what works best for you, and have fun experimenting with Canva's various design tools to personalize it as much as you like. Once you're satisfied with your customized desktop wallpaper organizer, it's time to save your creation. Click on the download button, select your desired format, likely PNG or JPEG, and save it to your computer. This way it will be ready to be set as your new desktop background. Head over to your computer's display settings, find the option to change your wallpaper, and select your newly created organizer. And there you have it, a personalized desktop wallpaper organizer made effortlessly. Enjoy your newly organized digital space, and hopefully this adds a touch of efficiency and creativity to your daily computer use. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our videos for other fun and useful tips.